Millions of travelers have flown on the new Boeing 737 MAX jet without paying much attention to the plane they were boarding. But following Sunday's Ethiopian Airlines crash, some are checking their tickets to see if they are scheduled to fly on the model and asking airlines to allow them to change. The crash, which killed all 157 on board, came about 4 months after another 737 MAX 8 flown by Indonesia's Lion Air plummeted into the Java Sea in October, killing 189. Investigators haven't concluded what the causes of the